have enough breast milk. Even though she sits on my breast for like an hour.
Hey, sweetie. Lift your head up again.
Hi, honey.
Can you lift your head up?
Hi, honey.
Can you lift your head up?
She's like, this is comfortable. I like this position, she says.
What do you think, Gringo? Gringo. What do you think, buddy? Huh? What do you think? You can lift your head up again? Lift your head up. Good girl.
Gosh, look at her.
Lift your head up. Yeah. Good job.
Oh my gosh. She's like, no pictures, please.
Isabel.
No pictures. Oh, honey, look at you. Isabel. Honey. Sweetheart, it's mommy and daddy. Isabel. You see the baby, Jojo? She's a big girl. Look at her.